When it comes to mashed potatoes, I've always just winged it. A few years back, I either did not have all the normal ingredients or messed up my proportions. Can't really remember, but it was horrible. Long story short, someone had me try some beer inside the dish also. And not only did that rescue it, it also was probably some of the best mashed potatoes I've ever made. Something that I would have never thought would have worked at the time. Here's our beer mashed potatoes. Or beer potatoes mashed? This isn't beer mash, it's the potato mash. We'll start with 2 pounds of red potatoes, or English potatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, a half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of half and half a cup of Bloody Mary mix, 1/4 cup of red lager, 1/4 cup of sour cream, salt and pepper to taste. Some adjustments and additions to the ingredients, like onion, could be welcomed. However, keep in mind this is normally a side, so we should be thinking of the overall pairing with the other elements of a dish. Grab your cooking pot, insert Home Depot joke here. Fill the water only as deep as you need to fully cover the potatoes, unless you get paid per hour. Scrub them potatoes clean. Remove any undesirable parts. Here I'm removing some eyes with a paring knife. Be careful the potato doesn't remise. Fencing joke. I'm on the fence if I should leave this in or not. Unless you're pressed for time, we don't want our potatoes too small, but we do want them equal sizes-ish. Let's get our pot on the burner, medium heat. Add 1/4 cup of Bloody Mary mix. Bring our potatoes to a boil. I would check about every 10 minutes, occasionally stirring. How I check is to stab with a knife. It should go through easily. As that is finishing, let's prepare our other ingredients. First, cut our garlic. I'm going for a roasted taste, so fine diced, and a buttery pan until lightly brown. Then mix in the rest of our butter, half and half, and 1/4 cup of Bloody Mary mix. Heat until all is dissolved. Now that our potatoes are done, drain off all the water, place the potatoes back in the pot, turn to low. We're going to add a little bit of salt and let the heat remove any excess water. Grab the sour cream and let's start mashing. Add the 4 ingredients that we have been heating up. Mash some more. Then our beer. Taste. Taste some more. And salt and pepper. Spice it good. Spice it real good. Hope you enjoyed this video and that it was useful. Always would love to get any feedback in the comments. Like and subscribes are always great. Hint. Have a good one.